Hello everyone, I'm Elizondo with Edinburgh CISC Media. FFA is part of our career and technical education programs, and a student here at Vela High School is restoring his grandfather's 1940s tractor as a project for the FFA program. Let's take a look.
Well, I started the project because my great-grandfather had a bunch of old tractors there at the house, and I went to the Houston rodeo or livestock show with my mom, and I saw old tractors there, and I said, why not? Why don't I show one for FFA? I'm in FFA, and we have old tractors, might as well. We had plans to show it at San Antonio and Houston. So we submitted the application to San Antonio Livestock Show and Houston Livestock Show, and we're planning to send it to Dello. I started restoring the tractor about 2 years ago, but then Corona hit, so I had to stop. And so I started again when I felt confident enough the show would go on. My favorite part was learning a lot about the tractor. I had so much more that I didn't know before, that there's a lot of little details that go with it, like shims, clearances. It's very expensive. And now I see why people don't restore tractors or restore cars, because it's a lot of money, time, patience. And I fit this down into 7 months. I want people to see the value in an old machine, and that even if you're not restoring it for FFA or for anything else, at least just take the time, if you have one, just to work on it and just appreciate the old tractor for what it served for that many years. There's more to show through FFA than just animals. There's a lot more projects you can choose from, and doing the tractor, I can say it was expensive, but it was worth it. Worth the time, worth the stress. In the end, it's going to be a good machine to be at the house. We could either farm or sell it or trade with it.
Great job to Benny and all our students involved in the career and technical education programs. I'm Elizondo reporting for Edinburgh CISC, your district of choice.